Okay, let's talk about quizzes for financial services companies or financial services professionals. This really can apply to whether you are a professional, a service provider, somebody who's offering courses on finances, or if you have financial products. The quizzes all look pretty similar in those spaces and they work really well as a way of generating leads. So I want to show you two examples that popped up that were built through Interact this morning and just kind of run through these and see the different approaches and how you could implement something similar for your financial brand. So the first one here is from Tranquility. This is a financial services site and helps basically figure out the whole money side of businesses. Really important and obviously something you have to deal with. So the quiz here on the website says, how steady is your financial foundation? Want to know, take the quiz. I think it's a great cover. It's a great topic. I love the image background there. That's fire. That's really good. So when we go to take this quiz, it's going to pop right in. So I don't even have to leave the page. How steady is your financial foundation? Start now. And it's asking me questions, really typical quiz stuff. We have other videos on this. I'm not going to focus too much on the aspects around, writing the right questions and things like that. I more want to take you through the flow of this. And quizzes on average, not saying this one in particular, because I don't want to give away any particular information, but on average, 40% of people who start taking the quiz end up putting their email in at the end here. So that's what this is here for. So skip that step, and then you are a financial rock star, and it gives me a idea of what that is, and then I have the opportunity to opt in. So that's really great. I mean, obviously consult your legal professional for the privacy opt-in piece, because you need to make sure you're covering your bases there, and that's not something that I can advise on. But really good implementation here right on the site. Looks awesome. So I like this one. I want to take you to another example from the CFO school. They have the quiz right here in the header, so that's another way to draw attention to it. And the cflschool.com/quiz, they have it embedded. What is your CFO style? So let's take this one and check it out. I love working most with, and it has these descriptions in here. These are all, I like these. This is another good example of a well done quiz. The nice thing about quizzes is it's like really hard to mess it up actually. If you're asking people questions about themselves, then pretty much they like answering questions about themselves. So I'm the visionary CFO. I like this. They have strengths, challenges, and what's next. So yeah, that's kind of two really great examples of how to use quizzes for financial businesses. I want to show you some of what we have available as templates. The Interact system mostly works off of templates, so you can obviously build completely from scratch, and that's totally good too. But I want to show you our personal finance templates that we have in here. Maybe it's just called finance on here. Finance, there it is. So these are templates that are already written by experts designed to convert at the highest possible value in terms of getting the most people who take the quiz to opt in. What's your money MO? That's a good one. Risk profile, spending personality, perfect money mate if you have the cross there. So yeah, these are all really great templates that you can use and just pop into the builder and just edit from there. Let me just show you real quick what that looks like. So let's say I like this quiz, I want to use it. I just click use this templates. It's kind of loaded in. Then I can connect up my email provider. I'm going to log in because I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can just start a free 14-day trial. You can use all the features that we have available, so you don't have to uh, just commit without knowing if it's going to work for you. So I'm going to log in here. Then it's going to load that quiz in to the builder. I can edit. I can add my email provider so that I can collect the leads, and then I can just launch it. So really, that whole process can be less than 15 minutes, which, as juxtaposing that to what we used to do, and we've been doing quizzes for 10 years, so been around for a while. We used to have everybody create from scratch, and that is still an option again, but it just takes a really long time. Whereas loading this in, all your questions are already in here, your results are in here. You can just modify this, click on anything to change it, swap out images, really easy stuff there, and then publish. connect up your email address. So that's here again, consult your professional for that, and then all these email integrations. So super easy. But yeah, again, these are two great examples. I would say with financial quizzes, what I'm seeing as the things that I would pull out as recommendations is make everything about the person taking the quiz. So the title, the questions, the outcomes, all of it should be about that person. Address them as they are, and then use a template to get started. It just makes everything way, way, way easier. I've been personally writing quizzes for 10 years, and I still very much prefer when I can just pop in a template and modify it a little bit rather than trying to come up with everything from scratch. So those are two examples of using quizzes for lead generation in the finance space. Definitely give it a try. It's working really well for financial professionals and products as a way of building up your list.